Good morning, guys. So this is going to be day 6 video for science and social studies. I'm just putting these together because they're a little shorter to explain. So science day 6, it is the same kind of setup as every other day. There is either an activity you can do in option 1 where you watch a YouTube video, do an activity and write about it in your journal. And then again, I just want to let you know, activity 2 is going to be in your STEM Scopes book. It is the teal book. It has a teal number 3 on it, parents, and it says STEM Scopes at the top. That reading today is going to be on magnetism and gravity. So that will be starting on page 33. The questions are on page 34, and the writing prompt is on page 37 for today. The choice 1 activity, I have your journal entry for you, what you would be doing. So choice 1, you're going to watch the video under the Science Week link. So after I post this video link, underneath this video link, I'll have the science video about magnetism and gravity. Then you're gonna have your ride drawing. So I did not draw a ride here for you so that you guys can come up with your own ideas, but in your journal you will draw your ride, and you will need to label the magnets and where they're located on your ride. Watch the video first. It will help you to understand like how this would work, the ride picture. Okay, this one is just another YouTube video. Then down here you're going to write a description of how your ride uses the magnets and gravity to work. So you can say the way this ride uses magnets and gravity is, and explain to me how your ride works in your journal for science day 6. Okay, so those are the 2 choices: reading the book or watching the video designing your ride with magnets and gravity. And then the response about how your ride that you have drawn out uses magnets or gravity. Okay. Then for social studies, the assignment is on day 6. You're gonna brainstorm in your journal first with your parents. So it is still talking about technology, so it kind of goes back to what they were talking about last week. Okay, so brainstorm and search in your house for technology. So I gave you some examples. I put a TV, a hammer, a can opener, and then you would continue to make your list. Okay, I would say about 7 to 10 items would be good. And then you need to tell me for each object. I wrote these objects, putting them all together, but I want to know specifically about each object. How is it used? And then they have improved my life by, and you continue that sentence for each one of those items. So how has having a TV improved your life? How has having a hammer improved your life? How has a can opener improved your life? What does it help you do? Okay, and then how you use them. What is the purpose for them? Are they for entertainment? Are they a tool? How are they used in everyday life? Okay, and also remember that the technology in your house, just like I had put on my list, I gave you guys some examples of technology that is not like electronic technology, but things that are tools. You can check different items. Okay, there's lots of things that you can think of, like door hinges. I'm trying to give you some other examples. Anything that you can think of around your house that is a tool or an invention that someone had to invent or make is considered technology. So think outside of the box on that one, guys. Thank you. Make sure if you have any other questions, you leave them in the comments if you're not sure. Also, I would like to see some of y'all's work. So if parents, you have their ride from the science picture, or if you have your description of one of the social studies item, go ahead and take a picture and you can post it onto the class story as well. I would like to see what you guys are doing there at home. If you have any questions, remember, just leave them in the comments on Class Dojo. Thank you.